Okay, here we go, guys. We're going to number our measures on the song KuwaFuraha. First off, just a reminder, a measure is the space between two bar lines. And if you notice here at the beginning, all of these sections, the hand motions, the soprano, the alto, the piano, and the djembe are all connected by one line. So I'm going to circle that just so you know that all of these parts have the same numbers of measures. We don't need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth, because they're all connected. When they're all connected like this, I need you to look at the, I'm going to call it the swirly bar line. It's not a technical term, but the swirly bar line tells us that it's the piano part, and that is where we put all of our numbers. So at the beginning of our song, right in the middle of the piano part, label this measure 1. After you do that, then you need to look for the next bar line in the piano section, which is a straight line going up and down. After that bar line, in this measure, you'll label it 2. And then you'll follow that step again, look for the bar line, then label it 3. After measure 3, if you notice, there's a space down here that doesn't have any music, any staff, anything like this. But it does, underneath it, have the same line that starts over the hand motion, soprano, alto, piano, and then they eliminated the djembe line down here. So again, what we're going to do, and you could put a little line here so you know that this is the piano part. You'll start back numbering. We ended with 3, so down here you will label 4. I know it's kind of hard to see because of all these notes, but it's there. Here's the bar line. 5, another bar line. 6, another bar line. 7, another bar line. 8. Oh, that was a horrible 8. Okay. Then, when we turn our page, this looks a little bit different because we don't have to worry about the title anymore. Here's our hand motion, soprano, alto, piano. I'm going to put my line there so I know that that's the piano because it has, again, the technical term swirly bar line. And then we ended on measure 8 before, so I'm going to label this one 9. What's special about this too is if you ever feel like you've gotten off on your numbering, you could check up in the top left-hand corner and it will give you a hint. So 9, 9. Here's measure 10, then measure 11. Now, we switch down here. Again, you'll see some blank space right above the hand motion. Here's the next collection of music. Here's my piano part. But then there's a third section of music down at the bottom. So here we go. We ended with 11. Here's 12. Let's double check. Top left-hand corner. 12, that matches my 12. Here's 13. Here's 14. The bottom part of the music, 15, 16, and 17. We keep following this all the way through the music. Chunk of music here, piano part. Chunk of music here, piano part, and chunk of music here, piano part. Then look for the measures and label the measures, the numbers that correspond to that measure. And again, you can always double check what number you're on by looking at the top left-hand corner of each of the groups of music. By the end of the song, I'm skipping over to the end now. This is page 9. Way down here, you'll see your double bar line. If you remember from our dance, double bar line means the end, you don't really have to write this. And at the end of the song, you should have gotten 55 measures. Forgive my handwriting, I can't hold the paper down. So if you get 55 by the end, then you know you've done all your numbering correctly. So let's check it. Here's 52, so let's label this one 52, then 53, then 54, 55. Ta-da! And now you've numbered all your measures in the song KuwaFuraha. Hope you guys have a great weekend. See you on Tuesday. Bye.